here we are again. We've managed to make progress and go further and further in digging in front of this retaining wall and in between this big slab in the middle of the property here. And the goal is to essentially release the water from being trapped here so that it drains up, so that we can understand what's happening here, if it's only rainwater or there's some sort of underground water seeping through as well. So we are making sure that we dig deep and make sure that we remove all the clay, well, not all of it, but as much as we can, and make sure that the top soil is removed and we can level up and see where the wall starts and where the slab begins as well. So we're still working at it, and hopefully we'll figure out a plan for our drainage system.